Class 56 DC choppers or DC to DC converters. The symbol is like this, an SCR inside a block. See, here you have fixed DC and at output you have variable DC. Chopping means cutting. Okay, like cutting head, chopping the head. So here the supply waveform is cut or taken as pulses. See, now we will see the step down chopper. Now you have this switch. Assume that the input is Vs, okay, and the output is V naught. Vs and output is V naught. So when the switch is closed, output will be equal to input. When the switch is opened, there will be no output. In case if there is inductance, the current will freewheel through the diode, but the output voltage will be 0 or the diode drop. See, these choppers are actually very fast working, so that you get average voltage at the output. See here, the waveform is there. When, see, this is the on time and this is the off time. When the chopper is on, current will be increasing. When the chopper is on, current will flow like this and increasing. When the chopper is off, current will be freewheeling through the diode. Output voltage will be 0. See, it will be diode drop. When the switch is on, positive will come here, so diode will become off and output voltage will be equal to input voltage. When the switch is off, if there is inductance, you will get current decreasing. See, current decreasing during T off, current increasing during T on. But if it is resistive load, we will get output voltage and current exactly like this. Current will not be increasing. Because of inductance, current is increasing. If it is resistance, current will be like this, exactly like the waveform will be similar to the load voltage. So derivation, everything is there. It's very simple. Output voltage will be on time by full period. You have here on time, then off time. This is the full period. On time by full period is the duty cycle. It is a fraction of the input supply voltage what you get at the output. So output voltage will be equal to input voltage into duty cycle. That is what is given in the equation here. The T is called as chopping period and 1 by T is called as chopping frequency. So output voltage can be controlled by two things. Actually it is the same, but only thing is sometimes we keep the chopping frequency fixed and vary on time or off time. Sometimes we keep on time fixed and vary frequency, that is off time. There are various ways. but usually chopping frequency is kept fixed so that filter design everything is can be done appropriately. Usually chopping frequency is kept fixed and on time is varied using different methods, pulse width modulation, that we will see later.